Climbing Steps Holster Kit. Your ticket to a safer and more convenient ascent to your tree stand. This revolutionary product takes the hassle out of reaching your hunting spot by providing an incredibly easy installation process. Say goodbye to the struggle of fixing steps to the trunk. Our kit includes a handy holster equipped with a ratchet wrench, ensuring a quick and secure attachment. What sets these steps apart is the generously wide step surface, offering stability that you can trust. The Climbing Steps Holster Kit comes with a wide grasp handle, strategically separated for optimal ease of use. With this kit, your journey to the perfect vantage point just became a whole lot smoother, because when it comes to hunting, every step matters. Musen Wild Mini. A portable Bluetooth speaker that's a true outdoor warrior. Picture this, a speaker designed not just for waterproof adventures, but crafted with a military-inspired flair. The Wild Mini rocks a full metal, zinc alloy body that's as tough as it looks, making it the perfect companion for your wild journeys. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just chilling by the beach, this little powerhouse is built to withstand it all. And the best part? It's not just about durability, it's about delivering your favorite tunes with clarity, making every outdoor experience a memorable soundtrack. Philips Beard Trimmer Series. The grooming essential every man needs. With advanced full steel blades and the innovative Beard Sense technology motor, this trimmer is designed to effortlessly provide an even trim in every pass. The steel head and blades not only ensure precision but also effectively cut each hair, preventing any unwanted skin irritation. Thanks to the self-sharpening blades, you'll experience faster trimming, even on dense hair, as they cut more hairs in every pass. Simple, effective, and a must-have for every man, the Philips Beard Trimmer Series is your key to hassle-free grooming. Ruben L1 Sources Flashlight. Well, get ready because this pocket-sized marvel is about to light up your world. Envision a compact flashlight that cranks out a dazzling 2,000 lumens. That's like having your own personal sun in your hands. But hold on, there's more. The Ruben L1 is no ordinary flashlight. With its 180 degrees rotatable dual lamp heads, it's like the Swiss Army knife of flashlights, offering both spotlight and floodlight modes. Imagine a scenario where two separate LEDs and lenses work together, casting beams in different directions without sacrificing brightness or clarity. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, but in flashlight form. Streamlight Bear Trap Worklight. Your new go-to tool for all things hands-on. Inspect, identify, and repair with ease using the Bear Trap's multifunctionality. It's high-powered, delivering big performance with a burst of bright white light in both spot and flood modes. But here's the kicker, go hands-free. This nifty work light clamps virtually anywhere or stands on its own, making it the perfect companion for those hard-to-reach spaces, like under the dash. And that's not all, it boasts a magnetic base and a stowable hook for added convenience. Illuminate your projects effortlessly and say goodbye to the dark corners of your workspace. CRKT Hexbit Driver Roll. Your on-the-go solution for keeping your everyday carry in top shape. You're miles away from your workbench, and your trusty EDC is in need of some TLC. That's where this compact dynamo comes in. The Hexbit Driver Roll is like a portable maintenance station, holding up to 13 bits and 2 drivers. It's the pocket-sized buddy for those quick fixes, ensuring you're never caught with a grimy EDC. Small in size, big on functionality, it's the tool roll that's got your back wherever you roam. OGT Survival Axe. This sturdy sidekick isn't your average axe, it's a multi-tool marvel with 31 features to tackle any adventure head-on. Need to chop some wood? Check. Clearing debris? No problem. Demolition work? It's got you covered. Pounding in and removing tent stakes? Yep, it can handle that too. And hey, ever find yourself up a tree stand in need of a quick repair? The OGT Survival Axe is your go-to. It's the Swiss Army knife of the wilderness, ready for action. So, whether you're a camping pro or just love a good outdoor challenge, gear up with the OGT Survival Axe, because survival doesn't wait, and neither should you. Pelican G5 Field Wallet. Your ticket to worry-free adventures. Why? Well, it's the only submersible RFID blocking wallet out there. Having a wallet that not only safeguards your essentials but also takes a plunge with you. And here's the breakthrough: RFID blocking. That's right, no more worries about electronic pickpocketing. The G5 has your back, literally. It's not just a wallet, it's a high-tech guardian for your cards, shielding them from data theft. So, whether you're on a beach getaway or navigating the urban jungle, the Pelican G5 Field Wallet is your trusty sidekick, keeping your valuables safe and sound. Olympus TG Tracker Camera. Whether you're exploring the depths of the ocean or conquering snowy peaks, this camera is your perfect sidekick. A camera that's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof, allowing you to capture the magic of any environment. Dive into crystal clear waters without a worry, or conquer the snow-covered slopes with confidence. The TG Tracker is built to withstand it all. The freedom of shooting in any condition, from underwater wonders to frosty mountain tops, this camera has got you covered. Mimulike Screwdriver. Your go-to tool for hassle-free fixes and projects. This nifty 3.6V rechargeable power screwdriver comes with a whopping 47 accessories, making it your all-in-one solution. And get this, it's USB rechargeable. No more fumbling around for batteries, just plug it in and power up. With a powerful 3 Nm screw gun, it tackles tasks with ease, and the mini-carrying screwdriver set ensures you're always ready on the go. Did I mention the built-in LED light? Perfect for those tight spots. GT Rotors Gearbox Keychain. A must-have for car enthusiasts. This 6-speed marvel is a finely crafted replica of a manual transmission gearbox, perfect for those who appreciate mechanical engineering. Each gear's precise detailing captures the essence of high-performance cars. Its intricate design and smooth shifting action make it more than just a keychain. It's a pocket-sized celebration of automotive craftsmanship. Grab yours now and take a piece of automotive excellence wherever you go. Scrub Daddy Barbecue Grill Brush. Your secret weapon for grill perfection. A high-tech scrubbing head with a flex texture cord that's not just any ordinary brush. It's like a superhero for your grill. What makes it so cool? Well, when dipped into cold water, this scrubbing marvel firms up, ready to take on the toughest grill gunk. But here's the twist: as you scrub away, the steam from your grill adds an extra boost to your cleaning power, turning you into the supreme grill cleaning champion. If you're a fan of grilling and want to keep your grill in top condition, a tool like the Scrub Daddy Barbecue Grill Brush seems like a convenient and efficient choice.